Okay, sound, everything, fine. Okay, good morning to everyone. Um, Good morning after the rate decision tonight. I mean yesterday. Um, let's our do let's do our usual daily analysis of Bitcoin. Okay, let's start from the weekly because the weekly is quite bearish. But I saw some bullish signs on the 12 hour. So weekly still looks bearish. We have to wait for this week how it's going to play out. There might be a bullish case, so really not 100% convinced that we're going down. On the daily, it looks like Heiken Ashi is continuing down and momentum is continuing down, but the money flow is lower. So money flow is 26 lower than like 50, and this is exactly the setup I wait for some upside. There is divergence on the money flow, which is very important, and it is on the daily. Again, very huge divergence on the money flow, and very important for me. Of course, we can still continue down, but how long down? I don't think too much. To be honest, I think the moment we start having a green dot on the daily, I'm going to place a long. Or the moment I see that Heiken Ashi starts to turn green. Right now it's still continuation Heiken Ashi for the on the red side, but I think we will have some upside soon because this is also divergent with the price and also with the momentum as well. Depends how deep this wave on the momentum goes, but I think it can be it can be exhausted here at 50 line. We'll see, but definitely very interesting from Bitcoin. Now on the 4 hour, what we see again, some divergence on the money flow. So the money flow here was 20 something, here it's lower, 22. We don't know if it will continue. Basically yesterday the Fed was boring. The Fed cut the rates with 75 basis points and said, we have to see the data, inflation, blah blah blah, and we're going to cut continuously. I think this is bearish for the markets, but the markets are not reacting like that. So yeah, Powell is not Paul Volcker, sorry. And I think the markets understand this is from the bullish side, I guess. So maybe it's time to long. Maybe this is the bottom. 4 hour. Yeah, let's see what the other time frames are showing. 4 hour, the same picture. We have some divergence here on the price, on the momentum versus the price, and the money flow. It's tricky because it's still going down, but it might be very close to turning to the upside. So we have to see. 3 hour. Yes, price going down, money flow going up, like really divergence and divergence, money flow going up as well. Sorry, momentum. This was momentum, not money flow. So I'm really wondering if I should long this now. 1 hour also looks kind of bullish with this deep momentum going up, money flow going up. Looks really bullish. But this would be a major resistance, the 19k. So I want to see how we go through the 19k, if we go through at all on the 19k. Now on the 15 minute, actually we can short this. The money flow is strangely low, like versus this money flow, it looks quite low. Maybe it will continue to the downside, having in mind the 15-minute money flow. It really looks weird, guys and girls. Yes, this was a good short opportunity, diminishing even here, but then still going down and the price is going up. So this is something really tricky, I would say. I'm going to, so the Ichimoku cloud on the 21 minute is showing resistance at 19k approximately 19.05. So I'm going to wait for it. I'm going to wait to see potential rejection and go on the short side, but I would be very careful going short right now, because I see some bullish picture, and I think on the daily, if we turn green momentum dot on the daily, Heikin Nashi turning green on the daily, we're definitely going up. And yeah, I want to see how this resistance is tackled, if tackled at all. So where is yeah, it's right here, and we are under the pivot now. So next resistance according to the pivot is 19.6, and we got rejected multiple times from here yesterday. So yeah, this would be the play. Let me see the Ichimoku on the daily. On the daily it also looks bullish, because we touched the Bollinger, we touched it second time, now we're going up. So interesting. We can potentially go to 22k and get rejected from the Tenkan Sen again, or we break this Tenkan Sen and Ichimoku cloud on the daily. So on the daily, I guess there is a case that we can go up to 22. Yeah, that's the Shimoku pivots. What we have here on the 4-hour. Yeah, we got rejected here. You can see this on the 4-hour. So this trend line is playing very well. We get supported a little bit, then we broke it, and yesterday we got rejected. So I think right now we're going to backtest it again, and this is coinciding. 19.05 is coinciding with is in confluence with the other charts I have seen. So let me see, top traders average leverage delta. This is bullish also. This looks bullish to me. Okay, let's see the Google Trends Bitcoin price over time. Well, this is going down still. So we don't have if we had something like 6 months, it would be nice, but we can still see that Bitcoin interest price turn topped at the low at 17.6. So from there we're steadily going down, as you can see. So I would say maybe it's still not time. Maybe we need to wreck late shorts or wreck some shorts at 22k and then go down. But I think this is this might be the start of this move that I'm waiting to the downside, but yeah, right now it seems like it's bottoming out, or it bottomed out already. It would be interesting to see what Bitcoin will do. Like, do we get rejected here on the Tenkan Sen or no? This is really important. On this indicator here we are still so this looks bullish. We're breaking this bullish, but we have resistance here. So let's see. I'm going to monitor these two levels, 19.05. If we break it, we can place a wonk, I think, to 19.5 is the next one that we got rejected yesterday multiple times, 19.6 or 5, and after that is 22k for me. Yeah. If we get rejected, of course this would be a nice short. It would be nice time to go short. Let me see the markets, how they're doing. Well, they're red, so I think there's high likelihood that we get rejected. Let me see what was ES. Yeah, this looks like this looks very bearish, to be honest. So we have to take into account also the stock market, how it is working. And wow, the 15-minute on this one is quite bearish. Yeah, maybe it's good time to place a short. I don't know. Let's see, 3 minutes. 3 minutes still going down. I'm placing a small short. I think the stock market is looking very bearish, and I'll also place a small short here. Okay. And okay, let's do our targets. Well, target according to the pivot is 17.7. 17.7. Come on. 17.7, and here is 17.7, and what is the liquidation price? 19.4. So the liquidation is 19.4, or let's say 390. Yes. Yeah, there is by the way a case that this will wreck my short, that we go to this area that we rejected yesterday. It's a risky one, but yeah, I think there is a case here that we go down at least to 18.4. If we go there, maybe I'll close the short. So that's it from me. This is how I'm going to trade. Enjoy the day.